B says, write an equation showing the number of dots D needed to make any figure n. All right, well, by now you should be able to write an equation on your own. Think about how you go from n to D. And I'm going to write it in standard form. Yours might not look like mine. D equals 4n. Right? 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay. N times 4 gives us the D. You could have written this as D equals 4 times n equals D, n times 4 equals D. Any of those are completely fine. But remember, this way will make your 7th grade teacher look like that. Exactly like that. How many dots would be in figure 10? Oh, look at this. It's right here. Okay. It's right there in our table. And so we can just say 40. And you can just point to your table. We could have also used our equation and done D equals 4 times 10, and then D equals 40. If, for example, they were asking for a number that was not in our table. Which figure requires 80 dots? Explain how you got your answer. Aha, well now that's not in our table. So we can use the equation D equals 4. No, my mistake. Sorry. We're looking for 80 dots. So we are looking for the n. We are given the value for D. So when we substitute this 80 into our equation, it's going to be 80 equals 4n. Right, we just took our original equation and we substituted 80 in for D. And that'll tell us the n value. So 4 times what number is 80? We could also look on our equation and written in an 80 here, and then thought about what number would go there. Well, how do you go from D to n? We know you go from n to D, you multiply by 4. How do you go from D to n? You divide by 4. Could also show this way. Divide by 4 on both sides. 80 divided by 4 is 20. 20 equals n. Or n equals 20 is typically how we show things like that. Okay? So figure 20 would give us 80 dots. Let's go on to the next problem.